Hey guys, welcome back to the Danger. On today's episode, I'm going to do a DIY on how to build your own media stand, so stick around. Hey guys, thanks for joining me here on the Danger again. In today's episode, I'm going to do a time-lapse video on a entertainment center cabinet that I'm planning to build. Currently, I am using the Ikea BYAS. I'll post that in the link below. However, I do need a bit more space and I would like to bring the height down just a tad. The reason I want to bring the height down is because now that I've upgraded to a 120 to 125 inch screen size for my projectors, the center channel seems to be getting in the way. Rather than hack this entertainment cabinet from Ikea, the BYAS, I'm going to move it upstairs for my UST projector. So what I'm going to do instead is construct a what I'll call three-piece entertainment center. This will include a countertop that measures 98 inches from left to right, and that's the Karlby desktop. That piece will be on the top. It will be a walnut finish. The bottom piece, where all the equipment will stand, is called the EKBACKEN. That is a fake walnut veneer. It won't be seen, but it also has a thinner height, so it can give me a little bit more clearance for my equipment. In between that, I'm going to put some of this iron piping to space it out, and I will post all of the different measurements for this equipment in the link below, along with the links for all the different pieces of material that I've used. So right now, the BYAS, it measures roughly 60 inches wide. The new entertainment stand will be almost 100. In fact, it's going to be about 98.5 from left to right. I'll be able to move the center channel from where it is here to a lower position and still just angle it upward slightly for the seating position to get that full sound effect. And it'll allow me to have a little bit more clearance with the projector screen to move it up and down so I don't have to go through any type of keystoning. So I'm going to time-lapse this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions about the build, please don't hesitate to ask. Also, like and subscribe if you enjoy the channel. Let me know what you'd like to see. Once again, thanks for joining me here on the Danger, and I will talk to you guys soon.
That's good.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's video of me putting together the brand new media stand here in the Danger. If you have questions, make sure you ask me in the comments below. And in the link in this video below, you can see all of the different components that I used to put this stand together. Hopefully you're enjoying the channel, and thanks again. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next time.